Good morning, students. Today we will see the house of quality examples. For 6 main points of house of quality: customer requirements, roof, technical requirements, interrelationships, planning of metrics, and target. First, we will see steps in house of quality in building. First, customer requirement. That means what? Customer requirement, that means include all list of goals and objectives. Structure list of customer requirements. The steps involved in customer requirements: first is identify the customers, which requirement and which goals is determining. Determine customer requirement constraints, priorities of customer requirements. Put them in house of quality. Second step is technical requirement. How? Technical requirement means a structured set of relevant and measurable product or service characteristics, and what have been finalized. The quality function deployment team has to identify those requirement facilities satisfy one or more customer requirement identified. That means technical requirement. How? Then third is interrelationship matrix. Interrelationship matrix means what and hows. That means quality function deployment team's perception of interrelationship between customer requirement and technical requirement. Customer and technical requirement matrix between the what and hows. Here we will see the different symbols of degree of relationship what and how. First, circle and dot, that means strong relationship. Second, only circle, medium relationship. Triangle, weak relationship. And no circle, that means empty, that means no relationship for customer and customer requirement and technical requirement. That means interrelationship between what and hows. Then fourth is technical correction matrix. Technical correction means use to identify where technical requirements support and impact each and other product or service design. It is compared to every other technical requirement. Here we will see the first is customer requirement, that means what. Second is technical requirement, how. Third is relation between what and how. And fourth is technical correction matrix. Fifth is planning matrix, that means assessment. It is relative importance of customer requirement and perception of company performance and meeting the customer requirement. It is competitive assessment of priorities of customer requirement, that means planning matrix. And last is steps of development priority customer requirement, that means cost of value. It is makeup of block of column correction to each customer requirement in the house of quality to the right hand side of the customer competitive assessment. That means how to develop customer requirement. First we will see the house of quality for different 6 points. First, customer requirement, that means what customer needs we will satisfy. Second, technical requirement, that means how. That means technical requirements function of customer requirement fulfill. Then regulation and standard material. Then strength and brand value. Then important resources on efficiency, that means technical requirements, how. Third is interrelationship between what and hows, that means customer requirement and technical requirements. So here we will see the different symbol of strong, medium and weak relationship. Then technical correction matrix, then planning matrix, and last development of customer requirement, how to develop customer requirement. Thank you.